In today's tutorial, we will guide you on how to hide your location on Facebook, ensuring your privacy and security while using the platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Begin by navigating to your device settings. This is where you can access and modify various settings on your device. Step 2. Look for the location option within your device settings. Tap on it to access the location settings for your device. Step 3. Once you are in the location settings, find and tap on App Permissions. This section allows you to manage which apps have access to your device's location. Step 4. Scroll through the list of apps with location permissions and locate Facebook. Select the Facebook app to modify its location access settings. Step 5. Within the Facebook app settings, you will find an option to toggle location access. Choose Don't Allow to prevent Facebook from accessing your device's location. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips on enhancing your online privacy and security.